The trading week opened with a jolt for HIMS and HERS Health. Just before the bell, Novo Nordisk announced it was terminating its newly minted partnership with the telehealth company, alleging illegal mass compounding of lookalike version of Wegovy and deceptive marketing that could jeopardize patient safety. Within minutes, HIMS shares plunged roughly 23% in pre-market action to about $49 and change, erasing nearly $3 billion in market value. Novo says its own investigation traced the active ingredient used in many of those compounded versions to unvetted suppliers in China, a finding that echoes an April analysis from the Brookings Institution, flagging a surge in semaglutide imports from facilities never inspected or recently cited by the FDA. The rift comes only 2 months after Novo enlisted several telehealth platforms, HIMS included, to distribute FDA-approved Wegovy once factory output finally caught up with demand. That catch-up mattered because, under U.S. law, pharmacists may copy a brand drug in bulk only while the FDA deems the original in shortage. A federal judge underscored the new regime just last week, siding with regulators who removed semaglutide from the shortage list and ordering compounders to shut down high-volume production. Novo now argues that HIMS kept offering mass-produced knockoffs under the false guise of personalization, conduct the Danish drug maker says violates both the Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act and the spirit of their collaboration agreement. Novo will continue working with other telehealth providers it believes share our commitment to safe and effective medical treatment. But it has cut off HIMS' direct access to factory-made Wegovy immediately. For its part, HIMS and HERS has yet to issue a detailed public rebuttal. On the May earnings call, however, Chief Executive Andrew Dudum insisted that prescribing decisions on the platform remain fully independent, saying providers give patients choices of treatments, and ultimately, what is right for them is their own discretion. He added that personalized compounded semaglutide can be clinically necessary for some patients and is allowed under Section 503A of compounding law. Regulatory nuance aside, the market reaction was swift because weight management had become a marquee growth pillar for HIMS. Just 6 weeks ago, the company unveiled a $600 monthly membership bundling Wegovy, lab work, and coaching, a package that helped propel the stock to all-time highs. With Novo walking away and FDA scrutiny sharpening, investors now must recalibrate revenue forecasts that assumed rapid uptake of the branded injection. The immediate question is how HIMS will pivot. If it doubles down on compounded formulations, it risks further legal and reputational blowback. If it scales back that channel, near-term sales could sag just as marketing spend ramps for other verticals like mental health and dermatology. Longer term, the company must persuade regulators, suppliers, and, above all, patients that its telehealth ecosystem can deliver weight loss therapies that meet both clinical and quality standards. Whether Monday's plunge marks a buying opportunity or the start of a deeper re-rating now rests on 3 variables: the trajectory of FDA enforcement, HIMS' ability to secure alternative GLP, one supply that passes regulatory muster, and management's skill at restoring trust with partners the caliber of Novo Nordisk. Until investors get clarity on those fronts, expect volatility to remain the defining feature of HIMS stock